Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free TikTok coins in 2025 with the TikTok mod. So as you can see, I got over 200,000 coins. You just got to make sure you got the free coins option on. You can also turn on the anti-ban right there so we can actually prevent our account from getting banned, because if TikTok knew that I had over 200,000 coins I didn't buy, I'm sure they'd be pretty pissed off. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this TikTok mod. So what we need to do is go onto this website called tweakmod.com. So this is a site that has all these like modded apps and stuff like that. So just go to the search bar, type in TikTok, and there's the mod. So we're going to press install, and it's going to start downloading. So all you got to do now is wait for it to download. So if you have like a good internet, guys, it shouldn't take that long. So let's just give it a second here. As you can see, so before it downloads, you may see something come up telling you that you need to download some like missing files from the App Store or like games or something. That's normal, and it's a one-time process, so don't get too mad, guys, because it will be pretty easy to complete. So now we're loading on to that final step, and it's going to show us all the apps, and what we got to do is download 2 of these apps. So as you can see, guys, it says missing files, additional files required. So you're going to see all these games. I would just go for Travel Town because you just got to reach level 10. So just press on it, press continue, brings you to the store, press play, and then just like run this game to level 10. But you don't have to do this one, but that's the one I did. There's some other ones too. But anyway, guys, once you're done, then you'll have TikTok mod installed on your device, and you can get free coins. Super epic, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. This actually works. So I'm not trying to be rude or anything, but why would you use TikTok if you had no coins? Because I can buy so much stuff from the TikTok shop now that I got unlimited TikTok coins.